Hi, I am Collins and you are welcome to this channel Stop Virus Alert. In today's video you are going to get the best VPN software for both Mac and Windows computers and for phones. When it comes to the best VPN software for Windows and Mac you will get them only here. This recommended best free VPN are fastest free VPN in the market and VPN free trial software. A good lack of VPN app for PC can make your browsing experience a nightmare. Hackers can hack your PC and Android phones without you knowing. Or maybe you are in a country that is not allowed to use certain sites and online services that you want. Worry no more. With these recommended VPN tools and software, you will forget about the nightmare, have the best browsing experience. This VPN can hide your identity, can make you watch a video online that your country is not allowed to watch and hide your identity. Can make your purchase online where your country credit card is not allowed to be used. Can hide your credit card and other personal details. You can get these VPN softwares for PC in Google Chrome and Firefox extensions and direct VPN download from parent sites. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to get the latest information about VPN software, tech services and antivirus softwares. Please, check the description below to get the recommended VPN links and stay safe from online troubles. Thanks for watching. Bye.